Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to do another quick swatch video today. This palette's been around for at least a few years. It's by Huda Beauty. It's called Emerald Obsessions. They have a whole Obsessions line. So this is obviously going to be their green one. I have used it quite a bit and it is beautiful. The colors, I'm going to go from left to right, top to bottom. And they don't have names, so it's kind of awkward to swatch them and just not say what their name is, but that's okay. It'll be real quick. These are beautiful to use. They're very blendable, very pigmented, so I hope you enjoy the video. So the first color I want to swatch, and these don't have names, is a very pretty golden glitter. Make a great topper. Next is a matte minty color. Our next color is kind of an olivey green with some blue glitter in it. Very pretty, very opaque. Next is one of the darkest in the palette. It's almost black. It does have some olive in it. It's like a metallic, very dark, very pigmented. Right in the middle is a shimmery teal color. It's got some green and blue in it. Next we have a matte teal. Next we have kind of an olivey brown. I can almost get away using this as a contour color. I have light skin with cool olive undertones. So it's kind of an interesting color. Next is another very dark olive color. It's metallic. It's definitely got some yellow or gold in it. And finally, we have a gold shimmer. This is much more opaque than this one, and it's less glittery, more metallic-y shimmery than glittery shimmery. All right, hopefully that comes out great for you. This is the third time we've been trying to film this. Thanks for watching, and if you like swatch videos, we've got a bunch more, including some Huda Beauty products, so go check it out. Thanks so much, bye. The Huda Beauty Okay, well it started recording before I was ready, but true to something. I don't know what I was gonna say. Okay, third time's the charm. Let's try to do this here. First time I was too close, second time it was too washed out. Okay, let's test if we can see the colors here, because I'm gonna go ahead and go from whatever this way is.